zurg in the butt. Alright, unbox Woody. Yeah, he's the box is fine. Alright, you got the hat?
Now unbox Zurg.
Yeah.
And then we're just going to kick his butt.
Yeah.
Because he's the best sheriff in town. There we go, they're unboxed. How cool are they? More to your collection.
Yeah. Let me put Woody's hat on. It looks cool, guys. Let me show you the headphone. It's a whole string and it could talk, yeah.
This town ain't big enough for the two of us.
Woody's gonna zurg in the butt. Mission complete. Alright, this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing challenge. Alright now, bye guys. Hope you like and subscribe for more awesome videos like these. Bye.